Hey y'all, I'm finna go out here. He out here barbecuing. Let's go see what his meat look like. His stuff do be good, but let's go see.
That's barbecue of the winter in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I couldn't take it. It's going down. After this, it's going to be raining and cold. I said, look at here. Look at what I got going on. It's the last barbecue. I'm going to freeze half of this for the winter, for December, when we can't cook no more. I got some ribs. I got some polishes. My baby don't like sauce on her brats. I got my polishes up there sauced up. I got some country styles over here going on. She gets 4, I get 4. I like sauce on mine, so I'm gonna sauce 4 of them. Look at these country styles going down, everybody. Ooh wee. Last barbecue. Look at here, look at here. I'm almost beating this, getting dark. Look at that, y'all. Look at that there.
Yay!
Ooh wee. I'm gonna freeze one of them for December, but about 1.5 gonna get 8. I'm telling y'all right now, it's going down in Wisconsin. Hey, I done lost some weight. Look at me. Don't I look little? Well, not little, but I'm getting there, y'all. I'm getting there. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, look at that smoke. I'm almost done. I'm almost. Let me flip. Let me show y'all something. Look at that there. Ooh, hey, look at that there. It's meat. It ain't no potatoes and nothing. I can eat this. I can eat all the meat I can eat. So I said I feel like I've been doing the diet salad. I need some real meat right now, y'all. Some real meat. All right, y'all. Nighttime done caught me. But I'm all done. We got the polishes. We got the beer brats coming off. Looking good, looking good. Then we got the country style ribs. Ooh-wee. Falling off, breaking loose. This one here, this didn't make it, y'all. This didn't make it. I had to test it. Don't tell nobody. I had to test it. It didn't make it. But the other ones made it, y'all. Look at that, look at that. Put that up here. They ready to go in. Ooh, watch out. My grill it's a leaning grill. It's a leaning grill. Last but not least, baby bags. Spare ribs. And another baby bag. Ooh, baby bag, baby bag, baby bags. I got my baby bag, baby bag, baby. Ooh, 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 it's about to break. Ooh. If I'd have dropped it, I'd have put it back on the grill. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's going down. I'd have put it, little more fire, little more fire. All right, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the coals. They about to burn out. I did all right. I did all right. The last barbecue in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's cold, but I'm out here doing it because I gotta have it for the last time. All right, y'all. Hey, y'all. Speed Queen ain't got nothing on me. My last video, I went to Speed Queen for barbecue. They hit me hard. I mean, they hit me hard. Look at all that I got here. Show them all that meat, baby. I did this for half of what I paid for Speed Queen. This is homemade barbecue going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, y'all. You hear what I'm saying? It's going down. I'm finna cut this up. We're gonna be eating on this for 3 days. It was cold outside. It was the last day. So I figure I always like to do some barbecue before the winter come. And I freeze half of it. So like December come, we'll pull out a bag and eat some. We ain't gonna eat all this right now. Don't get me wrong. I just cooked a lot, and what I do, I freeze it. So on my weekends where I'm off my diet, but I'm still on my diet because this is meat. So what I do is I freeze it, and then we pull out a bag for us on the weekend and have some barbecue. and with a salad or something. So this and that. I'm finna cut this up and let y'all see how good this is. I want y'all to see from bone to bone. I'm gonna flip this over so you can see the bone right here. I do bone from bone. Look at that, y'all. I ain't saying I'm a chef or nothing, but I'm pretty good at this right here. You hear me? Look at that, look at that. Let me just sit it in here. Look at that there. When I paid for Speed Queen, that time I showed y'all my ribs, I said, man, I did it because I just wanted to try it. It was good, but it ain't better than my own cooking. And I bet y'all cooking is pretty good too. So I'm just cutting this up. We're going to put them in some freezer bags. And we're going to have some for tomorrow. But it's December. What is November? Halloween is over. And it's finna rain. It's finna be cold. So we're going to have some bags for December and January when it come. And we feel like eating barbecue. We ain't got to go spend $100, $80 for 2 dinners for some barbecue. We'll just put our own barbecue out and make some sides, a salad, and we'll have our own barbecue, y'all. So that's what I did. That's the baby backs right there that I got. And this is my spare rib. I get 1 spare rib. Look at that. Watch out now. I got 1 big spare rib.
What about the comment?
That I had. You know what I'm saying? And what I try to do, I just cut them.
You just licking the fork.
Finger licking good. Y'all know how, see, my wife is proper. I ain't proper. That's why we get along. Because we 2 different people. But we get along. I don't know how y'all do it. But it seems to match like we do. She would have wiped her hands off. I'm not wasting no juice. I'm going to eat that juice. And look at this, y'all. Ooh-wee. Look at them spare ribs there. Boy, look at that. Look at that there, boy. Look at that there. Look at that. Look at that there. Lord have mercy. Boy, I cooked that to perfection in the dark. Ooh, that's hard. Dang. I cut the bone and everything. Look at that, y'all. Look at that sauce on there. That sauce, that ain't burnt. That's the sauce that look like. If y'all know barbecue like I know barbecue, then if you flip it over, booyah. So it ain't burnt. That's just the sauce that's finger licking good. But I like cutting it on the backside because I can see the bone. So that's why I cut it this way. So I can cut each bone and make the spare ribs. My wife, she likes spare ribs. So that's why I have the big ones for her. And I like them too. Look at that, y'all. Look at that spare ribs. Look at that. Look at that there. Look at that there. Ooh-wee. Hold on, let me see. You know you gotta taste it. Oh, melt in your mouth. And this one here deserves a 2-piece. It's 2-piece right here. Leave nobody behind. It's my other baby backs. Look at them. I like cutting them in the back so I can see where the ribs are. Look at that, y'all. Perfection. I know there's a lot of barbecue people out there. And you want to comment, comment. You want to be a contest? Look at that meat. Look at that meat. Watch this. Ooh, the juice. We can have a contest if you want to. Call me up, email me. I send you a slab, you send me a slab, and we'll see what happens. But I think I got it going on, y'all. Look at that. Look at that meat. Look at that meat in there. I'm showing you the meat. I ain't just showing you the flavor with the sauce. I want you to see the meat on the inside. I want you to see. And I cooked this in the dark. I didn't have to need no light. You hear me? In the dark. I always need the last piece for the 2-piece. Gotta have a 2-piece, like Popeyes, 2-piece fries with a shake going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Don't hate, y'all. Just do what you do. I ain't the only one. Y'all, we all do this. But this is the last barbecue of the season. Most of this is gonna get put in the bag. And we do about 4 bags. So like when December, January, February come and we want to really eat some barbecue because it's too cold to cook outside, we'll pull them out and then we'll make some sides. My wife makes some good beans, some good tater salad or something. And that'd be my off day that I can eat. So we'll freeze most of this. I just cooked a bunch, so we'll freeze it in bags, 4 pieces apiece. And then we got this. We got the country style. We got the country styles that she like. We got my country styles with the sauce on it. Hers, she don't like the sauce. So we'll put 1 of those and 3 ribs. And then she like the brats and I like the Polishes. So we'll put them in 1 bag. And then when we go downstairs in the freezer, we'll have 3 ribs, country style, a brat, and then, you know, we'll make maybe a salad with it or some asparagus. And that'll be our barbecue. We'll get it off our chest. So I just want y'all to see what's going on and what I'm doing. And I'm still, hold on, still on my diet. I want y'all to see. Y'all be the judge. Y'all see me before, but see me now. I've been at the gym. Look at this going down. It's going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. All right, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all this and let y'all know I'm still on my diet. And this is meat. This is like an Atkinson diet. So I ain't put no potatoes or macaroni and cheese with it. I'm going to make a salad. I did want some tater salad. I might do some tater salad for my cheat day for this. But I'm just letting y'all know to stay focused, stay on your diet, and you can get where you gotta go. If y'all can see me, you see my first video, and you see my video now. And we gonna keep doing this until we get down to where we comfortable. So all I got to say is going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Peace. See ya.